Yesterday, we came with a few sachets. And I said yesterday, immediately after we finished, I said, some of you have pets, am I right? Yeah. Take it and go. Put it in the water. If you have pet now, and you go and use it, 3 days is enough for you to call your phone and tell me my pets have changed. You don't know that they're doing the hospital? Yes. You don't know? You know. The moment they eat well and they are happy, you see them one will say, go wrong. Another one will do, they will all be doing it. They are happy and they are healthy and they are relaxed. They are doing the hospital. The moment one starts, the other one will do, they are happy. And the moment they get that, they are happy again. Just your question on poultry. Some of us need to fishery. One of the difficult things in the fishery industry is some of us who have pond, you don't know when to change the water in the pond. The water may be the fresh water today. After 2 weeks, it has become an acidic water to the bed. Some of us don't know. What they do is to bring fish, put them there and leave them. Water is water. But you don't observe how hygienic, how good is this water to this fish. That's why when we teach our women, we say in this scheme we have to go and get a little cage. Put it in your house, a cage that can contain like 5 birds. Get a water can, drum, put it there. In your kitchen, you can be building bed and your pond is there, not for sale, for consumption.
I'm Dr. Fitz Morfo Obiodele from State Veterinary Clinic, State. I got to know about nanotechnology from a member of the cooperative, but let me just say from a brother who introduced me into this technology. And since then, I have used the product on my birds, and actually it is working. It has given me 98%. So, and I've also tried it in a way that I can comfortably encourage another farmer or agriculturist that nanotechnology is very good. It will give you a bumper harvest. It's not just about collecting a product and you go to use it in your own method, but you have to follow strictly the advice that is being given or the directive from the product producer. And another thing is that if you are using it on your poultry farm or any of your farm, the farm has to be 100% neat. You don't use it on a little environment, you don't use it on a wet litter, and you expect 100% returns. It doesn't work that way. So you make sure that the environment is clean. You remove the dust or the droppings when to and replace with new ones. By so doing, it will help you. And also, I've also used the Miracle and 2 in my crops, both the dry season and the rainy season, and I have a bumper harvest, which I can beat my chest today and say yes, they are actually working. And also with the professional advice, you know, as a vet doctor, I always say this is the right thing to do, and the farmers out there, try it, and you see how it will work out for you, and you will smile at the end. Thank you.
My name is Robert Precious Chine. This program has really blessed my life today. I got to know about it through a family friend. She's a pastor. She called me and told me about the summit. There is a seminar. If I attend, there's going to be a lot of benefits, which I'm very grateful to God I was able to attend, and I have a lot of benefits I'm taking home today. I've learned that formerly I used to give my birds water. I was allowed water to stay for a very long time, waiting for them to finish it. But today I've learned that I don't have to leave it for that long period of time. I have to change their water when I'm supposed to change it, and I have to give them, make their home, the house in a way they will be getting enough ventilation. In fact, I've learned a lot today. So many things that I did not know about before, I learned them today. And also the product, the nanotechnology product, I've learned about it, how to use it, the organic product. I've learned a lot about it. So I'm really blessed. I'm very happy.
My name is Pastor Emega Otuokoro. I'm from Edda, local government area, and I'm resident in Ogun State, Abakaliki precisely. I'm a graduate of the University of Nigeria, so in 1985, special animal science specialization, with a special interest in poultry management and production. I've been privileged to be blessed with two companies, a Mudoc Investments and a Mudoc Covenant Funds. I've lectured in the Ogun State College of Education for 20 years, 2024, and we have grown with experience by the privilege of course to supervise practically up to 5 farms. I've been privileged to rehabilitate the Ogun State farm integrated farm complex in Kaleke. That was in 2006, 2008, and then in 2015 I proposed to the government to revitalize and renovate, revive the Kaleke poultry again, where we company Farmer Giant proposed 12 million for 12 calendar months and 275 million non-equity and back equity of them, which failed. Currently, the consultant and general manager to Great Farms, Kofia, Disaster, Wari, and they have been exposed to supervise not less than 1,050 layers. Further, with fish, 1,500, piggery, and then expanse of farm, Ukumba, and all the rest with a team of all other people. We thank God I've been close to Asia Africa Cooperative, AAC. This is my 4th seminar, just to help me know more about the nanotechnology and their input, usage in the evolution of poultry, and then sustainable agriculture. I have found out that their technology on organic nutrients is so wonderful because it brings down the cost of feeds and brings down and increases the market maturity from 10 weeks, 8 weeks down up to 6 weeks. You can get between 2.5 kg of birds and above, which is very, very advantageous. And their Miracle 1 and Miracle 2 organic fertilizer applications is tremendous, which is a total saving of up to 4 to 5 kg in fertilizer. The fertilizer, depending on what you're buying in India, or 27, 13, is as much as 52,000. So if you look at this and the application, if you are able to listen carefully and obey, you are going to be well exposed in agricultural development. From my experience and what I've gained from this seminar and what I've done through the national president, Dr. Ernest Machu, and my state coordinator in the state here, Dr. Oguchime Success. It's a privilege, and I want to encourage farmers that if you follow the instructions very well, you will have less mortality in their birds, which is the greatest challenge to a lot of people that do not have expertise. So with their nanotechnology, your rate of death is controlled, even to a minimum, and then your feed efficiency is increased for you to have maturity of the birds and sell at a very good profit. We are here and happy that they have been taking a step forward to arrange for an agricultural grant. 500 through microfinance, which is ongoing now. And we want to give glory to God that anyone that is able to follow the instructions and profile very well, they are going to be items packaged, and their success story has not failed. That's where we are happy. Everybody that has come here from Enugu, from all the states where they have gone to, is a success story. And I want to be happy to be part of this revolution. And I want to thank God for the daily encouragement and the sacrifice that the organizers, especially the national president, to encourage farmers. I believe that God will expose them to the right people, not people who are not sincere. This is what we need in Nigeria, especially the youth and the true farmers. That's why we've come here and we made ourselves to be part of the resource persons to deliver free of charge and then encourage people that yes, we have people that are truthful. I want God to bless them and help us as we move on. Everybody needs food. And if you have food, then the nation can be sustained. If you have food, individuals can be sustained. There's nobody that cannot eat food. Everything is about increasing food and sustaining it. And I know God will help this program to be sustained. In Jesus' mighty name. It's a great day, sir. It's a great day. Talking with you. Thank you very much for this privilege. Thank you, God bless you. Good luck. God bless you. And more grace to the entire cooperative, AAC Cooperative Farmers Society.
If we are talking about organic agriculture, Ebonyi will be known as having organic agriculture, a state that farmers can produce what they can be able to eat. At least 70% of families can eat, they will be producing. And the issue of food insecurity will be a thing of the past.